Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add shortcut to Mozilla Firefox homepage. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Firefox application on my Windows. And then here guys, you will see add shortcut. And before I add a shortcut, I'm going to search for the website that I'm going to create the shortcut for. And for example, I'm going to add this website. Okay, I'm going to copy the link like this guys, and then I'm going to add new tab and click on add shortcut, and then you can enter a title, and I'm going to add grow a garden. Okay, then you're going to type or paste URL, and then just click on add. And as you can see that the shortcut has been added to the Mozilla Firefox homepage. And yeah, that's so simple. Okay guys, and that's how we can add a shortcut to Mozilla Firefox homepage. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.